Oh my God, look at this gorgeousness. This was one of the reasons why I went to the Curlsmith festival, was for this. He was only going to give out a few, and it was going to be first come, first serve. So when I went, I felt like, from what was left, these were actually in bud. So they weren't even open, and she just opened, and she's stunning. Oh my God, and she smells incredible. I love, love, love the smell. Sometimes you lose the flowers, and that's kind of normal because they have to acclimate to your environment. I did get these in bud, so for sure I thought I was maybe going to lose the buds, and I would have been okay with that. Not really, but yeah. But oh my God. I can't. She is stunning. Stunning. Oh my God. She is a Cattleya Schilleriana. Gem AMAOS X Palmer. Beautiful. And I love, love that she is mounted. This is gorgeous.